Hi everyone, welcome back and Happy New Year. I hope you all had a very Merry Christmas and like myself have overindulged and feel slightly sluggish coming into 2023. Now today I'm going to kickstart with a really light and refreshing recipe. We're going to have seared tuna steaks on a Niçoise salad. So I'm going to take you through the steps to get us started. Okay, so here is what you're going to need. I'm going to talk you through it. So we have got our beautiful super frozen tuna steak. I've already boiled up some new potatoes and green beans for the salad. You'll need half a red onion finely sliced, some tomatoes. We've got here our beautiful Ortiz anchovy fillets in oil. We've got some capers, we've got some chopped parsley, rocket leaves, and then we've got this lovely seasoning that we're going to combine together with the white wine vinegar, mustard, sugar, and olive oil. So to begin, you want to pickle your onions. You want to grab your finely sliced red onion and just pop that into a bowl. You're going to begin with some white wine vinegar, and I'm going to pop in 2 tablespoons. You want a bit of sugar. You want to add some salt and pepper. Nice little pinch. Give that a little stir. And then you just want to grab a bit of water. And that will just help combine it all together. So we're going to move on to our tuna and we're going to give this a bit of a rub with some oil and some seasoning. Now this is a bit of a signature fish here at the Fish Society. It is super frozen at -60 degrees, and that means what it's doing is it's preserving the fish by locking in its flavour, texture and colour. And trust me when I say it is superior to anything you will find in the supermarkets. It is absolutely delicious. So give that a nice massage with a bit of olive oil and then a bit of seasoning. And that's all that you'll need to do. Now that's in there, we're going to pop it straight into the pan. So, and it will give a lovely sizzle. Sizzle, 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 sisters. So you just want to keep checking that. And a good trick to know is when it gets to just above halfway and you can see the colour change. So we're almost there. So now those are nicely seared, you want to set them aside for about 5 minutes to just rest whilst we move on to the dressing. Okay, so we're going to start by using 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. We're then going to squirt in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Give that a little whisk. Okay, so set your dressing aside. And now let's get on to assemble this beautiful salad. Okay, so these are our lovely Ortiz anchovies. So we sell them here. They come in a little tin like this. And then we're going to peel that open. And you can just pop them out in one nice layer. So we only are going to need 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Which is nice and easy. Pop that like that. And then we're just going to finely, well not finely, just roughly chop them to add to our salad. Okay. Okay, on to our tomatoes. So we can just do nice thin slices of these, taking a nice sharp knife. So you want to grab a large salad bowl, and in here I'm going to pop our potatoes and green beans, some Kalamata olives, we've got some capers, you want to add the tomatoes, you want to add your anchovies, and your salad leaves. So we've chosen rocket, chopped parsley and some basil. Give that a good toss, and then we will add the salad dressing. Finally, our pickled onions. Okay, so give that another good toss. So just grab some nice salad serving spoons and pick your favourite serving plate. And then you just want to flake in our lovely tuna. And there we have it, our beautiful tuna niçoise. It is so beautiful to look at. It's packed full of flavour, it's packed full of colour. And I tell you what, that will not only serve you nicely for dinner, but any leftovers make a perfect packed lunch. We hope you've enjoyed. Let us know if you make it at home, and we shall see you very soon.